It just happened. Millions of workers in the adult industry, gone, replaced overnight, no warning, no second chances. From campsites to content creation, from modeling to video production, AI isn't just coming, it's already here. Let's talk numbers, because they don't lie. AI-generated models are racking up millions of views on social media. OnlyFans creators are reporting massive drops in revenue as AI bots flood the platform. Major adult sites are quietly testing fully AI-generated content, and most viewers can't tell the difference. Think you're safe? Think again. Cam performers, replaced by AI chatbots with hyper-realistic video feeds, OnlyFans creators, outdone by AI-generated models running 24/7 without breaks, adult film actors, deepfake technology is creating synthetic performances, phone sex operators, AI voice assistants are offering 24/7 companionship, erotic writers and artists, AI is generating custom stories and artwork in seconds. Companies won't stop, fans are already falling for AI content, and AI, it never sleeps, never asks for a paycheck, never complains, so the question is, what can you do before it's too late? If you want to stay relevant in the AI era, you need to do three things. First, adapt. AI is here to stay. Learn how to use it to your advantage instead of fighting it. Second, differentiate. AI can mimic looks, but it can't replicate human personality, live interactions, and emotional connections. Third, dominate. Find what makes you unique. Offer experiences AI can't, personalized interactions, authenticity, and exclusive content. Now here's the part they don't want you to know. The real winners in this AI revolution, it's not the tech companies, it's not the platforms, it's the creators who understand the shift and adapt fast. So, what will you do? Will you be replaced, or will you be the one who stays ahead? And if you found this eye-opening, share this video, because the more creators know, the better prepared we all are.